how to create multiple YouTube channels with the same account. So if you want to create multiple YouTube accounts or YouTube channels with the same account, then first you need to just open up your browser. And on your browser, make sure that you've logged into your YouTube or your Google and go with youtube.com. Now, after opening your YouTube, you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that profile option. Now, on the profile, you need to go with settings under YouTube. Now, under your YouTube settings, you'll have this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply go with add or manage your channels. Click on that option. And here you will have an option of adding a channel. So just simply go with create a channel. As you can see that I already have two channels. So if you want to create, then you can again go with create a new channel, go with verify, and make sure to verify to get advanced features. So you can take a 6-second video of yourself or take a photo or build history as you grow. You can choose any one of these options and then get approved. Once you get approved, then you'll be able to create your channel. That's how you can create multiple YouTube channels with the same account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.